Hitler didn't want to exterminate the Jews at the time, he wanted to expel the Jews. And Haj Amin al-Husseini went to Hitler and said, if you expel them, they'll all come here. So what should I do with them? He asked. He said, burn them.
وقل جاء الحق وزهق الباطل إن الباطل كان زهوقا.
This man is Muslim, but why I put his picture here? He wrote a poem when Hitler invaded Russia and wanted to kill the Jews. He said, you want to kill the Jews, kill me, I am also Jew. But he is not Jewish, he is Muslim. He said, if you want to kill Jews, first kill me. Then you, and such a poem against Hitler, I put his name here.
What was his name?
Ghafur Ghulam. We left Russia not because of Muslim people. We left Russia because of the communist system. With Muslim people, with Uzbeks, we live like brothers and sisters.